happen all the time.
Good morning, you guys, and Happy New Year. Oh, it has been so long since I vlogged, but it was the holidays. I had a lot going on work-wise, trying to get schools together for this upcoming year, and just tons of stuff to do. So, set my camera down and just got to it. But we're back. It's a new year. Not gonna say new me, because I'm pretty much gonna do the same things. But today, it is cleaning day. We are back in it. The break is over. Had my first shift back at work yesterday. Longest shift ever. Longest shift ever in the water. 6.5 hours. But it's done with. So we're just gonna clean up my room because it's a little messy. And when I say a little messy, I mean it's destroyed. It's destroyed. There's things everywhere. So yeah, we gotta get that done. But first, I'm gonna go downstairs, make some breakfast, then I'm gonna shower, get ready for the day, and then we'll start cleaning. Simple today, simple Rice Krispies. Oh yeah, look at that box. Ain't it beautiful? Okay, y'all, cereal has been made. I'm gonna go ahead, go upstairs and eat this. That way, as soon as I'm done, I can just hop right in the shower. And then I'll be cleaning anyway, so I'll bring all my dishes down that are in my room so I can wash them. But I'm a little upset because I used the last of the milk for my cereal, so I can't have any coffee. But it's fine. I don't need it. I'm a little jittery anyway. So I just finished breakfast, but this is a mess too, and I need to shower. But this is a mess. My life's a mess right now. Y'all, my shower is done. I just need to take my hair out of this towel, brush it out, and then go ahead and clean up this messy, messy room. Like, I can't believe I let it get this bad. This is so gross. Guys, so I finished my laundry. There's still a few things I have to pick up around my room, but it already looks so much better having that laundry basket clear, all the clothes off my... I just have to clear off my desk and get all these bottles and stuff, put everything back where it belongs, pretty much. Then make my bed, and I'll be done. what it looks like now. Oh my gosh. This pillow is like my favorite thing in the entire world. It's so soft and plush, and it's bright yellow, and it matches my room. It says my happy place, because it's true. My room is my happy place. So now that that is all done, I think it is time to go ahead, finish up the dishes that I have downstairs and get some lunch in. And I can hear my dogs. They've been barking, messing around all morning because they want out of their cage. But when I'm cleaning, I can't keep an eye on them. And we still have all our Christmas decorations out downstairs, and I don't want them getting into anything because my mom wasn't watching them for like 2 seconds just before Christmas, and they opened all of my sister's presents while I was gone on my vacation. And she texted me and she's like, oh my gosh, they ripped open your presents. They kind of chewed through it a little bit, but they're okay. I'm gonna rewrap them and everything will be fine. And I was like, okay, all right. But don't want that to happen. Don't want them to destroy anything. So just gonna get that, gonna do the dishes, let them out so they are not losing their minds anymore. All right, puppies, you're now being freed. You have to go outside first so you don't pee anywhere. I know, come on, let's go outside. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I lost it. Oops, go, go, go. Look at them, they take off with their zoomies. No, then you gotta go outside. I love them, they're so precious. Sorry if you can hear some of my laundry going behind me. It's just all of my whites. I do that at the very, very end, so I make sure I don't miss any of them. But now we need to look in this fridge and figure out what there is to eat. Ooh, there's a lot of sandwich stuff. My mom just went grocery shopping because she's back on her schedule. She's got all her meal prep, fridge is full, mainly of her stuff, but it's all like really healthy, and I'm kind of in the mood for something not healthy. Alrighty y'all, I think I figured it out. We had some salsa in the fridge and these tortillas, and we have some pork, and I think I'm gonna just have a little pork taco moment. I'm gonna cut up some of this lettuce. I don't know if I'm gonna add anything else, but you'll see the finished product once I'm done. Alrighty guys, my tacos are finished. They look so good. I'm so excited. I'm debating on whether or not I want to put some cheese on there. I know I can't have it, but like, it just looks so plain without it. But they are a little hot, so I'm gonna let them cool down, and I'm gonna put these dishes away. That way once I'm done eating, I can just wash all my stuff and then put my white clothes in the dryer. Alright y'all, dishes are done. The kitchen is all cleaned up, looks fantastic. Laundry is drying right now. After I get that folded, I'm gonna go ahead and head off to Kenny's so we can hang out before work, because this weekend is gonna be a busy one for us. I start my lifeguard training this weekend, and that's a full day of just exercising pretty much from 9 to 5. So I'm doing that Thursday through Saturday, and he works all that time, so I won't really get to see him. So we're trying to figure out sometimes during the week, because I've been gone for over 2 weeks, so we haven't really gotten to hang out. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this start of the new year day in my life, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!